the Hadi and your house one kotoko one. I had to share and I didn't share it down there, you know, you have a quite before so to me influence policy. A 7-year Dika Congress of the Ghana Football Association. Yeah, Electoral College, you know, 123 members and a former Congress. A busy as soon. A busy as sa, Yen Chasso, Yen Tum. It's in many drawing and a chair. Ya shape Congress, a typical Congress day, dear a Kosovo ho, and never to us all. Now, I mean, can say an educated day, and you are diet day, a happy FM. And a Ghana anti-corruption coalition, and I came to my bonnet at the brown. Jumedia is sponsored and supported by Star Ghana. I'm more if different. Danida and a UK aid and a boy I made Jumedia ebro. Hashtag Jumedia so in Kuntebo. Over to me, I call Facebook was a CR Jumedia Air live on Facebook. Live on Facebook. After so to me, Eddie Jumedia or Twitter at Happy FM Ghana. Instagram Happy 98.9 FM and a website www.happyghana.com. Yes, shall say 1st November. Prosper Harrison Adu Esquire. Abeka inside. They be any cook a status no and then status na ye dia ba say ye normalizing committee of the FA and review no ye boa amekwa betimi afa so a review. Nyema bi e ha nyina na ye bekoso di hu nkomo na e recommendations so aba mesra o fie o recommendations bi a o de boa ya fa bra yen ye de beka document hu de koma normalization committee of the Ghana Football Association na bomb e football etumpon mama mranti abeka me studio ha kwaba and then Chief Ademu Sedu abeka yen sound so boa me panelists nyina o ha mo so boa de recommendations nyina ba Prince Obapa Kobra wo ha na kwame dan kwaba join here I didn't come here ever sheso. Prosper, but you more crab be umedumedi so. But you Bibi Aboko there. Bibi Aboko. Chief Ademu, Bibi Aboko there. Na me Aboko. Prince, I also join the conversation as time goes on. Now, you shall see and you share a year Congress. You share a nipa boa and as a members of boa my Congress a year Papa Congress. A year 123 delegates and a bonus of members and a former Congress. Premier League no 16 clubs but almost 2 reps no 32 RFS regions near 10 no almost 3 members there and no 30 and 1 member each from 48 division 1 clubs wo memo ha and also ho yanko ani yanko hwe 1 member from security services ho players 2 yanka old players yanka new players yanka active players 2 coaches 2 schools and colleges 1 enti ukani nyina boma eba kan nyina boma ni nya be 123 delegates and from Congress ebisi esododo ankabe ya yintwa so ya hwe omo tumi omo wo to enact laws to review laws ni nyina ya hwe typical day Congress die ne koso there are some very exciting days at Congress ba so and same course wo ho na ye be recommendations ya hwe ko ya betimi afa so say yentum you better best practices elsewhere. You better go England. At the most work I say it's very interesting. Now prosper. But and then you share Congress, membership, you so you too. E because under now chassis can say you share England English structure now. And you very England England saying typically Congress membership need saying. Na structure no kwa etsen English football mo na ya hwe de no be dey adopt bi you betimi and then ya hwe England I mean that say e be me say enra America no me can say
apart from delegates in Adino, to me using the England example, but to me, I increase delegates, no, I'm a more members of Congress, but if you are voting rights, no, and yet Obiana or Benya voting rights.
Okay.
Especially, we don't say, me can say, Congress, but to me, I approve for now, I ordinary president, and I be an honorary member, post be able to be the amount. All these people can be made Congress members. Omoba, Omo adwin here football number man. But now ebia edu voting there no more vote. The same way no, we don't say Congress in a typical year be a new sports minister. No. And I say it's old sports minister Krana. Sometimes no or to me as well person back Congress I invite him and football for now
it was a friend
yes now back and sports authority paying and also sports authority paying and deputy sports minister better have a representing minister or policy document via now say the BIB government in direction on sports and now the best of what they are so a new one or be introducing one Congress now it's a me some be no so free or man paying or no and government or no or be can't chair Congress. Congress who are 1 or 2 year in response no na Congress to I can't say okay my NC government and no man paying.
Did you man said the high in and you know for mon pay my okay.
Yeah that is say about ya wa kan so ya get to me be ejuma be bobo na idea ejuma so okay by 1 or 2 year come government and no man paying my into such a person, no minister, no bar, or ye invitee of Congress. Obekasa, your Wabeka, somehow Wabeka, Congress to Miji, not Omodia age, but on vote to be.
Okay.
What I say. The same way, no share England there, Mr. T. Boso, and Ran. England, Omodia, no more friend, the FA Council.
Okay.
FA Council, no representation, no. Different. I'm also there. No, I call it similar to say class for women, schools for women. Don't forget, universities of England does.
Yeah.
Now, the almost go sports association. It's in your representation, but they have a number of people are can the council, but vote.
It's non-voting members.
Yes, it's who share now. Starting from the FA Council membership, no. First of all, chairman and leader of the council, no, the chair council, vice chairman, Mienu, I feel life and senior vice president, also see life.
Yeah.
These are people who are 19.
Bako 19,
vote, but these are experienced people or former presidents of various associations. So yeah, the two Ghana there one I can say be a former RFA president, be a what transfer chair or football for a long time because of more RFAs, you rise from the ranks. If you always start club football, kaka now for district, kaka abedane a whole regional RFA chairman. Into one in the it be an honorary position be for support to sports no for a long time. Nti Omodia is met to me I can tell say 19 mostly from FEs, maybe a Liverpool FE, Sheffield FE, Independent Schools FE. Nti all these people no omo name there omo old people. Maybe some of them have been united, maybe I said the eminent people in society omo boa game obi to say Sam Jonah. So any contribution, any innovation we Ashanti go. To me can say on him there of football. But if you are on person of election.
Yakotoba on so no Lusuna you go see be about there be.
On pesa on cry be on time sir. Nti Oberman ordinary membership now they now go to Congress also. They do Congress there. Now about on him there be on also documents no
questions be on Obiano advice be on their back.
Okay. It's Congress day no over time no over Ghana. Bet to me about Congress. But Okasa you we are not for vote. On can voting for no. Those people know almost 19. Over vice presidents no so almost another 6 via but only 2 na vote. There also say 4 be almost voting rights. As a representation of the Premier League, no, almost 6. As a representation of the English Football League, and only League 1, League 2,
English Football League is saying
Football League for 6.
6, okay.
On 6.
Yeah, 6.
As a joint, almost this one EFL, no, the Premier League, no, so jointly, almost appointed by now, Waba. Almost divisional representation 10. Until no county football association. So, I feel county association representative 43. And also move vote now Omoaba. Until now affiliated at organizations, no, Omo League Managers Association. And also the one member Professional Football Association, the one member Referees Association, the one member National League, the 2 member Northern Premier League. Southern League, another league which and also the one member. I feel other football associations who just school for no. University of Oxford Football Association, University of Cambridge. Those are the more 30 ball no.
Yeah.
No. So Lomobo, he said it's young fan. He said if you are University of Ghana or league be omo. Also association they are affiliated to the FA. Almost
engineer affiliated bodies.
Yes, the Army Football Association, into military for war, Army for war, league, Royal Navy war, football. It's England, Royal Air Forces, almost war football association, Amateur Football Alliance, the Alliance now, almost war rep. I feel Women's Football Conference, almost war 2. English Schools Football Association, Independent School Football Association, or reps. I feel supporters representation on the English supporters, also working. Very important. Disability football. It's a
amputee team. Yeah, okay. Reps are 1, 2.
I feel inclusive representation. Inclusiveness, no. Let me say minority groups.
Yeah.
Also, British Universities College Sports World War One. The Association of Colleges, FA Youth Council 201. Gamma Football Communities. And also supporters. And National League System steps, no. Also, 1. I feel
Fusa football.
Also, and small-sided football for
Yeah.
5-a-side,
6-a-side, yeah.
Recently, Ghana, they can form an association and be affiliated to the FA. If it's academy football, right? They can form their own association and play academy league and also be affiliated. In fact, everything
football,
we use the laws of the game, football rules. Because FA no and annual rights no from FIFA. You have to be affiliated. Okay. Maka say beach football, 5-a-side for they are under FA. Because from what I know, and this one, nobody can challenge me on it. Beach football is under CAF and FIFA.
Yes. Statement of fact. Yes.
Until they have to be under the FA.
They have to be an affiliate of the FA.
Yes. They can run it separately.
Yeah.
Until no problem. But you are affiliate. Indeed, say football African Cup beach football. Right now, I said football African beach football for Egypt.
Yeah, Egypt.
Yes, CAF. Qualify and CAF. But send the to GFA. Then the GFA will liaise with the beach football association. Now, but we have to bring them under the FA association.
Okay.
I feel one woman nominated by the games for just to take care of women's rights now. Assuming said all these people are assuming said they are not anymore. At least you are covered say one woman.
And then be satisfied at 15.
Yes, of the FIFA way.
Yeah.
Until you do a deliberate attempt say Ubema. Yes, because to me can say women's football, but women's football
was a Bema repeal.
Yes, if your teams na woman and Brema na higher investment workers na woman if you Brema na endorse into Brema na beba, but you have to make a deliberate for gender
equality.
Yes, one woman nominated I clear into no Brema be to me fast has got. Then I feel no executive directors of the FA, almost two now the count. Into all these are all the way. Into at least one will say a bit more they don't vote. When you are almost I think 128.
128.
Yes.
Delegates.
Delegates. But of course, almost the end
Yes, 123.
Yes, but in terms of size and activities, not the Omoyeno.
Okay.
The Suchen because Omo associations also.
But you know, Omo delegates near all voting rights.
Yes.
But England, 128, no, and you know voting rights.
Candidates 19 you were honorary.
Until minus 19, a honorary vice.
Now, as I force more vote from vice.
23 minus a year 128. 105.
Yes.
Until move delegate 105.
Yes. Until Senamika and Rano. Assuming say if you say we want more people in terms of individuals, our more in India Congress, we can do that. We can increase the number, but voting we can limit it. Because numbers no so or those too much. First of all, there may be some say in the English case, the potential to contribute, you're very high.
Yeah.
Yet, 123, the same people complaining about say 123 indoors are the very people who are also more complaining say, your Congress, oh, into representation has to be meaningful. I say a point to biba. And you say the numbers no call keke. Say the numbers no be call na nipa no be kwa try or kwadia. Why are we worrying ourselves?
But one of the key issues among for areas, the perceived influence. Nipa wants to keep power. It means over just 103 people. I'm for say to bar. Yeah, na. I'm for easily. Utimi nipa to try lisa. Utimi tomu na. In the kabaya yentem by 2,000, and the utimi to Prosper Asian also angry.
And we are suspicion. We are suspicion. And sometimes I find it very because so see nipa ba kumbe to me at nyina. Don't forget the kind of people who go to Congress. Perhaps no Asante Kotoko, SC, crowds of folk, SC, BDMA and all those people. There's only nipa kohoa, patches and nipa ya more forward. Omo so low say obi be to me at omunya. And sometimes when people make that statement, they don't come out to defend themselves. They don't come out. And that is for me the shameful part.
Clubs no antimba ultimate defend your own self.
And nipa no omo dey akọ Congress no. Obi say obi atomo nyina. Nti omo kasa. Nti na abeye dey wo say okay omo ko Congress. And sometimes people don't know the kind of people who go to Congress. They are lawyers, they are doctors, and you are saying somebody will buy all of them. You see, we reduce the thing. You are reducing it to so sometimes petty arguments. Me, to be frank, according to me, I can say same for lawyer, I can say same for a lot of people. Who practice will be better lawyer, no frank. Will be already do more training banana. And sometimes we reduce the thing, say, and it's again. And yet, the Amrana Sheno, the quality you send to Congress, say Gerard Ankara, I could represent Accra, and I've seen eminent people in Congress.
But possibly you'll be the first to also admit, say, sometimes you have cause to aside. You have cause to complain about the quality of representation about Congress, the quality of personnel, and Nipani almost unrepresented woman. Sometimes you have cause to complain. Say ebi wa na carry be carbon into no so be say omrame. So sometimes it's indeed true say lawyers bar, judges bar, but sometimes it is also true say the qualities are a bit questionable. Easily you can influence those people in voting. A typical example. Alhaji Gusani in the CEO, or second top and CEO, a year club no about 1 or 2, they don't know.
Me answer that question. Voting no is supposed to be a secret
ballot. And no,
first of all, no to question say or say
Article 28, all elections shall be by secret ballot.
Okay. Who year election for the election per course war Congress no yeah clear. Election course war Congress is for the president pay. And no pen course war Congress. And that election no e pass once
every 4 years.
Every 4 years. And unless there is resignation and now we've not had that.
Or impeachment be and sign
something similar to that. It's every 4 years spend a year election though. But so we can't reduce everything Congress does now a election.
Okay.
Election once every 4 years. And on a typical election once every 4 years, you know. Who selecting the panel to abano. Sometimes no board members of clubs never or club president. Every election now, clubs take it serious.
Yeah.
Oh, inti you can't say so Ramos is ama for me game or no why in Nisika. I say Nisika when the team no obi be man Nisika and or be to be obetu. Sometimes no we reduce the thing. And I don't want a situation if I can say election by county yen try no my no mun 1,000 obi try to me say 2,000 any one venue crab a problem. They say here consistent now.
Yeah, stadium man for trouble stadium.
But yeah election we are now fe mra na ye di she no mra na yes and mra no a chair
and to ordinary congress at 2,000 now some baby.
Into every congress any extraordinary congress yeah 2,000 never. So my enye who say yeah one election into the election is won by votes. Fine. But don't forget say I'm on 4-year campaign. And I've said it even in national election that every voter needs a reason to vote. Voting no, yes, or even abstention. You have a reason to do that. Obekwa for vote because the other candidate no win any. Also Obekwa for vote because the candidate now vote to man no. Waka policy bia eya odenti na vote to man.
We call the honfe to aba.
No. Inti to me translate share obia say onu de onti asem no by force no fa dia wo afa no. Inti se wan fa dia wo afa no. They say watu ababoni ana say oni adwin ana ya to no. David. Obia any reason for voting. Even in national election, constituency election, district election, party. In adwin o. And obia nso ni de ha no. Obi wo ho a the whole presidential election no okoto no. Something small, baby small pe ena hia no. Oti wo candidate no ba ko hope we wie wa decide and the obeye bia on sisa na adwin. Until you have to know why you are voting. As a club, no, you can meet, decide that you're the way for this particular reason. And Obian show. Obian can say disclose your reason. Until the fact so be a winning no doesn't mean say what Obia. Because me, I don't see it say in this democracy and in our football democracy, Obi disika better Obia. It's not possible.
Okay. And think what you know, young the English way na. Yeah, man for voice of Congress, but voting rights should be exclusive right for some few members.
My dream, no. If we want to change the current position,
okay, we
should change it for cogent reasons. Because we have reason to change it.
Not because it is influential binti.
Yes, obi better obi. In that ITI. Say see a Congress or China. Many wunya ye nim nipa da se ne obekọ Congress ama clubs no.
Yeah.
Because Kumasi Asante Kotoko bet to me decide say Accra represent you. Edmond Nko. Ana say CEO no any board chairman executive board chairman no beba. Until you don't even know the person. Club no na ye member no. Kotoko na 2 votes no. Until dano days before no Kotoko bet say we na eko. Until odi sa obi beto obi no the sisa rules na ochina onim nipa kra na ebeba. In fact, say club owner no ankasa fee say opese ahemfo mienu mbra omo beba. Ukoto ahemfo no. Inti the if the clubs and the members of the FA no, they are worried about people buying votes no, then they should send people who cannot be bought.
That's right.
I think that is the best advice we can
give. For men of integrity. Any men out to influence you.
Okay. Club. Mean Jin this says as of folks see Ebia CEO Mark Noonan and Frank Nelson co represent as of Oka. Ubet to me are convincing me Prosperous Nado say Ubi bet to me out of Frank Nelson and Mark Noonan. It won't happen. I can tell you it won't happen. What the amount now they go to Frank Nelson? Obia oye
the largest individual shareholder of Accra Folk.
Oye ni business and your business back businesses. Who continue with what? Inti is the quality of the people you send rather than the numbers. Okay. Inti yes, it's a numbers na yen solve ushwi.
Mama ko chief at the moment so na adwenkyere ene ne the owo efa a congress composition and the way forward. Chief at the moment.
Yeah, me that say me person me call back to the English FA no mention kakra na me the other countries say na we mention say for purposes of international best practice. Over English then England the 19 senior vice presidents they be more as far as 1974 they have been part of the English FA Council. So this goes to buttress and yet the number of years you'll be at the helm of affairs, but the amount of input you add you bring onto the table. So we had the 19 senior vice presidents now.
Senior vice presidents?
Yes, they are senior vice presidents.
19 of them?
Yes, 19 of them.
But
Omuntuaba. Ebia as far as 1974. And they are still counting.
1974, no, senior vice
no, a member of the Oba onto that board from 1974. Oh, that's what.
Oh, that's what.
Yes, a list say a life.
Yeah.
A life / 97 se boom we are. Utiso sa ntebi ba 74, 78, 1980. I think the earliest person who also was brought onto about 2002 or so. So you should see the how the time span or they were onto the board. So midway based on the facts, so make us we are check.
Yeah,
we are check.
I mean, chipping say obi say what na board no so what na council no so for 44 years and above. Into ye can be here.
Oh, memory.
Waman inside bro. Ebia or your old man no ni voice cry. And now I can say in 94 we did this and it didn't work. This.
No more historical antecedents. No biatin who say.
Yes, advice. No the about now I transfer.
Omo kasa
David.
Tiwa kwa no pija nsa no de bakwatu. Otum so settle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no fewer. Say England was the largest organized football competition in the world. 78.
The largest football competition.
Yes, organized football competitions in the world. They have 78
competitions.
Yes. The Premier League, Championship, League 1, League 2, South Manian Conference 78.
Conference South,
Conference North, County 78.
Wow, competitions.
What I say? Look at the size of their Congress and their votes.
Your competition is saying.
Your competitions officially.
Premier League, Division 1, Division 2, Division 3.
Yes.
Coast football.
Then Coast League. OFA status now it's up to Division 5.
Yeah.
But me who's baby organized Division 4 and 5 Ghana.
No, 4 up to 4.
Up to 4.
Okay. So you were in terms of recognized leagues.
Yes.
You were Premier Division, Division 1, regional leagues. No, you were Division 2, Division 3 and 4. You were Juvenile League, Women's League.
So 6.
6.
Okay. So England was 78.
You were FA Cup.
FA Cup.
Yeah.
Okay. You should say do more than 10.
Yeah. So England was 78. So now me percent you share the size of Congress in the voting rights for some countries before Ghana.
Okay.
And me England, Germany, Italy, Spain, South Africa, Zambia, and Nigeria. England, Germany, Italy, Spain, South Africa. South Africa. Nigeria, Ghana. So okay, Italy, Congress size near 278. 278, yeah. But voting party no and need the Congress size no entirely. Over the Syria now they have 20 members at Congress. But
each club
yes,
a rep.
Yes.
Okay.
O calculate in natural sense they are voting in percentage there is 7%. But say they will also vote en bloc. And South Africa they are the same. They vote en bloc.
So they come together.
Yes, Mobile Premier League, your vote is one. You have to vote en bloc.
At the individual clubs they vote.
Dabi Mobile Serie A.
Premier League 6 no.
Your vote is en bloc. Yes.
To make back together.
Yes.
Any issue no do.
Yeah.
You can Congress into Premier League for no year 32.
Yeah.
Okay, 32.
Yeah.
I don't vote here one.
I'm for the same way.
Into South Africa. South Africa. More 3 members of Congress.
No,
that is why you have to decide at your Congress before you come. In the South Africa, their Congress is made up of the 52 regional associations, or more of 20 affiliate members, and 6 special members. The 6 special members near the leagues, the national, the PSL. No, that's the 3, but their number needed. South Africa so one of the highest. I think their number is 185. No, 182. 82. Because they have 50. The 52 counting. No, the 3 members never Congress.
Okay.
But their vote is 4. Their vote is counted as 4.
So you have a representation.
Yes.
You don't have the voting right.
Yes. South Africa vote here 4.
The DM say 1, but breaking it down.
Yes.
You can come.
You can come. Yes.
But about the voting,
you vote say so their statutes even specify say you either decide to vote or abstain.
Okay.
En bloc.
What
move to
so that people will understand.
Okay.
Also, you were 123 representation and 123 votes.
Yeah.
And your country be an was country no be or representation no and no na omobano.
Yeah.
And no say mo vote no so be the same.
Yeah.
Oh, mostly no baby are numbers no those no vote no so near the same.
Yeah. In South Africa vote ne 224 but their Congress size is 182. Zambia Congress size 224.
224.
Yes, because the regionals no our 4 votes times 3.
It's RFS no.
Yeah,
yes. I'm more 4 votes. I'm more 3 but I'm vote here 4. Nipa na back Congress no. I'm the weight account. It's I'm no any Italy same. Italy the me person me here this analysis so we understand what we are doing.
Okay.
And yet peculiar to a country there are similarities so you can adopt
and differences
based on your so South Africa and Italy here Italy 20 leagues no who rated in terms of their numbers on Congress their percentage is 7 but I'm vote to the vote is given as 12%.
Okay. The more weight.
OTC are 21 members per Congress they are 8% but their vote is reduced to 5% at Congress. So more players associations they have 52 members at Congress. Their vote their percentage of their vote is 19 but there is weight which is 20%. Vote to their vote is given 20%.
Okay.
So they have the Liga Pro which is the smaller leagues. Also their membership near 60 which makes it 22% of Congress number. Their vote is 17%.
Okay.
Then you go to coaches whose number is 26 and per Congress number is 9. Their vote is 10%. Then referees here. Referees here 9. So their vote amateur is 90. Amateur members, amateur leagues and the rest. They are 90. Number is 90, okay. Yeah. So which is 32% of Congress. Their vote is 34% of Congress. Same as South Africa, same as Zambia.
Mami explain it. On say amateur here one England.
Yeah.
On say yeah hanu to say their friend no monchendi and Sunday football, Monday night football.
Yentio ka we ball for fun amateur.
But omunyina no they do that so and ready they will be affiliated to the FA.
Yeah.
Mostly no people don't.
I born in fact maybe you register in your affiliate.
Yes, until Monday. The yes ana it say Baby AstroTurf you were.
Lizzie.
No.
Wembley.
Wembley there. Also mo ball every time Monday night.
Become Queen's Park, Queensland, every weekend.
Umbaya Association, then they will register with the FA. Until benefits be by FA or if you umbenya balls na the rule changes ba na dia documents umbenya binadi. Ahano amateur football no.
Until all the call Germany will tell you that their Congress size is 252, but it's made up of 25,000 clubs.
252
Congress size. So to back what you say, yes, 25,000 clubs.
25,000 clubs.
Yes, and their analysis is that they have 6.8 million members. Do you know why? Players will be Germany at what level? A member of the DFB. So they have the largest football federation in the world.
What you
say? No, the rationale behind it. The rationale behind it.
Until Usha say,
I'm online so you player.
Yeah, to say as of
almost 50 players.
Until team no currently no. Team no na member of FA no. And our Congress no more selected to. But in terms of Germany no. Team no obio any players are registered.
Are registered by the FA.
Yes, so say are registered players.
Yes.
So himself you belong to us of but they do it as representation.
Wow.
Yes. So quick one. Zambia or more Congress size near 110. Their vote is 90.
110, but on
vote here 90. Okay, your friend is saying Italy Congress, Spain Congress size 139, Italy at 275, Germany at 252, then England 128. Then you come to South Africa, Congress size 182, Zambia 110 with their voting pattern year difference. So you can say in terms of voting size, any the Congress size no, and necessarily say the same.
Okay.
People can be there to share opinion, but will not have. And in any case, you talk about once in every 4 years. Ghana say from 2005 how many times have we voted
in terms of presidency?
I think once.
Yeah,
2011 crime you say we voted here.
There be send a acclamation. No,
yes, and 2015 see I'm too.
Yeah.
So in Joka say I got Tony Pana say in what quarters? What I'm saying is that you have to look at the quality at Congress and not necessarily the number. And my small document me proposal.
Okay.
And me I feel say Congress should be reduced to 110. My list is the number of that's my opinion, and the voting pattern reduced to 90. I pick a cue from the Zambian FA structure now. Then I give representation. But then before even we come here, I have a proposal also based on what other clubs or other countries have done. And you go to the Serie A, you go to the English Premier League, you go to the Bundesliga, you go to even the South Africa Premier League, where the leagues come as a body. Leagues come as a body. In today's document, I've mentioned independent autonomous league, where I expect the league to come as a body. So at Congress, the leagues will come with their membership.
So the Premier League will come with their membership.
They come with their membership.
Okay.
So if there is voter, they have to vote at a certain pattern. So my delegates at Congress, I mentioned that we have the 110 members of Congress with 90 votes, and 5 delegates who will be duly nominated, like we will do Lebecan, nominated by the Regional Football Association. But then there are 4 votes.
5 delegates with their 4 votes.
4 votes.
Hade uye san to kwabesi o.
To kwabia ni kwanse to kwasi.
Yeah, 5 ko to about 5
you don't come to vote individual, you come to vote for your friend saying the region. You come to vote for the region. It is a Team Happy FM ye kwa. Yes, so you got to about my lawyer Prosperous Nado. Inti ya tuni say.
Inti ya phone ya betom.
Yeah, phone ya tuni say.
Haku they wouldn't there cause ha.
No, if we are not able, if we don't understand the fundamentals, how do we? Because the Oba should have the interest of the region, not the Uwa.
That you say, say maybe I make say representation. Nipa 3 could represent Greater Accra RFA. Before they will get to the Congress to vote for the candidate, the RFA as a body their executive committee or say MCO,
Yeah.
say Congress number free by whatever means at the RFA, no, they should know say nipa way no can sema eto ya kumaso.
Yeah.
Ono na ebi awaka RFA asembia ye fi say obob eya ebebo RFA inti ye ko vote amano. Enya afi na ye ko do a back one for left, back one for right. You are not
Right,
there
yeah.
to vote as in Mimi can nipa train no one. I'm not there to vote as Prosper Zinado. I'm going to vote as RFA.
Greater Accra.
Greater Accra. It's Greater Accra. The other yakuma so na mikoyo. But here they are no.
We are smart for
Internal representation. No. You are not there as
representing yourself.
Unlike England, they are na honorary members. No.
Yeah.
They are there in their personal
capacity.
Right.
Yeah.
They are more achieving a more. Inti Usha Congress we know. Din ewo.
Any club and say who constituency.
Yes. Inti different. Inti no move vote no. But representation here say Okankwe South. Ye MP. Ya ba. Ya agree say ukoi on women's issue vote for pro life. Yempa abortion wo Okankwe South. Ko vote na ya won say vote differently. The vote is not yours. It's for the constituency. That thing no say you're drumming home because Mati Bebre say mami fa current example. Opokunti, Ora Opokunti.
Yeah.
Ora Opokunti obi kra to me ba radio so say oyo kotoko na nominate no oko esco no yenti say wa kan bibia support kotoko. Ade na say kan bibi support kotoko. Or representing Premier League.
Not Kotoko.
Yeah.
Inti obeka a support to Premier League.
Yeah.
Not Kotoko. Or cannot support the Premier League. Kotoko shemu.
Yeah, that's right.
Kotoko so will benefit.
Okay.
But on pese or no koa any they be a Kotoko. Just on kama any other Kotoko. Yenya ni sa. Inti those who you see sometimes no explanation no call from into be a supporters normal feel agitated. We had no corner that onye CEO bi a anything. Oh yeah, then say on representative team no. Don't forget say obi to say Oro Opokunti all cost standing no. Ebi akotoko na nominate
yeah.
But clubs be best second no.
Yeah.
Into almost all your modern. Into na
I know quite no be argue say
representation.
Kotoko has be also they be executive committee omunya rep also.
And also yemfa share mra.
Eni nyem
But conventionally no. Clubs no nya feel say
out of respect and tomorrow.
No mo enimdiansa
Yeah.
Itu nkitinkiti no best of beka ho. And no mo ache wo Premier League no nti ya omo wo nimde fine. But eno enye mra into beka say time legal committee me chairman also ansa
Eka baby
may rest in peace.
Bana kone eye
ene
Kujofiano
standing here no Kujofiano na win here even though na man for conventional no movie say Kotoko seat.
Yeah.
Every time no they try to vote for them now and don't forget so and yes they try to vote for them they are the say fathers of the other clubs. Into the other clubs, no, they have a certain
soft spot for
them.
Two clubs, no, yeah.
Because ABA Mukada Bremukra no omu support to us and now Kotomansa, Omuni, Omu club. But the rule doesn't say change Kotokoni. So if we want to make it like that too, we can change it. We can make sure say ABA Premiership were six reps, but 2 years as
Kotoko, yeah.
You better to me they share room no. By the same one and also minimum
yes, so we propose an 110-90 votes no regional FA no by virtue of the fact say 5 if every region no benya 50 wo then I propose say 30 in the professional league leagues company. That's how I have named it to make it 80. Then you were 5 delegates from players association. They say I'm only a certain players association back be account. You see, recognize no, there were 3, and I'm sure say I'm on 40 ba. So Okobodia.
So I'm not sure for
into Okobodia na quite problem. So I'm saying say 5 from players associations, then almost over 4 votes, then 5 delegates from coaches associations. Coaches association another Obiswati, it be a retired coaches association, active coaches association. If you are not careful. And also, they have 4 votes, but then one of them should be a female because then we say my coach is so rising. Then even the delegates from players, I'm saying so. There should be a combination of retired footballers, active footballers, and one of whom should be a female, because in retired female footballers, we can add their input at Congress. Then you should be soccer.
Say the association now boss were mad, ma retired.
No, I asked. I'm saying retired. I'm saying everybody. I was at the launch.
Really?
Yes.
Retired phone yes on cabo.
Yeah.
I'm a member.
I was at the launch.
Membership in the place now.
Place,
that's
female
it. I think
place.
it's not retired for.
Yeah.
For now.
On say we go to about play be na you talk about man say no say omo na SP here campaign na
me patch omo mu ami who dey here na be ideal say you benya retired association nya active association which one is the ideal
onim say we share yemranum no players as defined by mrano active players
active players we need retired players
yeah
but retire for no so per ya culture na di no so obi a wa bobo no so bi da no. Normally, no, you expect say some will go into administration, some will
coaches,
referee,
any other areas. This is swag the area man for can me view on it say first of all no watchdog. I don't want watchdog.
Me see possible how you trouble how you trouble.
Secondly, so me to catch you say almost every congress I've been to no swag members can because you be nya swag member or some club rep.
Yeah.
Obi to say make it charge or swag member. Then I was on work club.
Yeah.
Obi to say sometime I'm back for Deportivo. I was a journalist.
Yeah, Tofik back
to
be by
Bekwai youth.
Yeah.
Inti sometimes no ube kun ama group bi ba ube ho a omo wo mu dada.
Yeah.
Inti sometimes no retired
footballers
no ebi ya coaches.
Yeah.
Ebi so ya administrators.
Yeah.
Inti ube hu say retired player bi ya administrator or can team bi hu. Most often uko congress Ebia Ombas retired player, but to be one what team be more say or representing.
So it should be
Obukunti for instance.
Yeah,
so it should be active
committee member.
Should be active players.
Yeah, retired.
Yes, so if the law specifies and I say the statutes specifies, defines, yeah.
But in terms of changing also, my intention in this way, in terms of modernization and where we are going, baby I econo, we say. There's quest say yebenya female oba wo bibia yeyem. Nti for me no and only those pillars na I say a guarantee. I say a guarantee say can oba be congress
by law.
Yes,
Nti
can disability force will be represented.
Yeah.
Can minority groups
should be represented. Yeah.
Those key pillars na me say
will be represented by voting or as members of Congress.
As members of Congress.
But not having voting rights.
Voting right or not, any day we can discuss.
No, but you see,
I think they should. Say normally no, uja numbers no keke say 2 from here, 2 from bodies no, and from your background in football na de no, mostly no, unshare ye be vote ni pa akono. As for the 2, me won say as of the oba biabada, me won say kotoko the oba abada. Me won team de brain, me won some de oba.
Helena Kobna Kokon is our
be me say wa kobida in the past.
In the past, okay.
Me sure say na oba because of a FA committee member and I say oye
kotoko ni in the buy. Okay.
Mean kai. But hardly you see women. Into yen legislating mo yen fan kan change. They say England there no. So mo ya no mo di ba ku buy say one woman.
Okay, say and can far from because
no, so South Africa that
executive committee mu ya ma oba ba ko be kan.
Yeah. In South Africa with that caveat no say
Afena Congress number so. Into last changes no year 2015 2016 eba no. Last Congress I ebe kon na ebe so Olympics court no.
Yeah.
Sa Congress documents no ebe oba there no.
And South Africa there na one of their vice ne a woman. And by force, Congress electing. So the first vice is from the leagues, the second vice is elected at Congress, and it could be anybody. But the third vice there must be a woman. And then it must be said, young woman, the Congress will be postponed for the regionals to go and look for your friends. So we have this proposal. Yeah. We have this proposal. I say the 5 delegates, one of whom should be a woman. So when the region be when the 5 bar, one of your delegate members must be a woman. To be a woman, because every region about football. Yeah. So every one of and if I go by this, we are going to get about 10, at least 10 women at Congress. Then my friends, the vice, no, we will proposal for 3 vice, and also one of whom should be a woman. A woman should contest woman position. The first vice should be from the leagues. The second vice should be elected at Congress, and the third vice, which is a woman, should also be elected at Congress. And I think, say, once we are able to add and subtract from these, the 2 members of Congress are only voting right, but because of their interest in sports, so I pick delegates from the Ghana Olympic Committee or Congress, but with no voting right. Then a member from the National Sports Authority at delegate, but with no voting right. So these are the people that make 110.
You can go combinations. The other to me,
But Marisha, do you think that we should set educational qualification for members of Congress?
I don't.
So that will be the quality issue. No?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Because he has his own challenges. So, on say born no. Interest. Association be no interest in the number one thing.
Lawyer,
like-minded people.
Fache me obrenya no idea resist is here there na club license no e can fa ho.
Any administrators no. It doesn't necessarily mean that they'll be members of Congress.
Club licensing is different. Club licensing chair say club be anya e be a doctor, onya lawyer, onya say. E no chair say who ba Congress a chincha fa no na ebra. Congress na idea say who clubs no who voter.
But it will cure it in a way.
But
so
because issue no because ya can quality assembly.
Yeah.
Say sometimes enye numbers no e nipa na amount for say and this question no enye unique to sports. Even in our national politics no
parliament crowd
that say yemfa qualification kan wana say my yemfa kan. Even the minister. Only say minister good who are
sound mind and
age qualification but me can't interest because on say dressmakers association who need interest or dressmaking unye dressmaker unko kan we football interest no your football and a lot of people who put their money to football no ya beji usika say ya pese ya area no ya kan say wa school da nti aden na odi be kwa akoshe say ya congress there
okay na kwame na wo sa interest no so on there on tia said da say dey be a carreps na ko na kwamba na sa somehow and the congress ye bibia congress ye we will move on. And the person be chibi and na kwame and dey be you say the quality of reps about congress no e na asefim onko benya anka club owners na nkasa ebi anka makuna no togbi ba no ba congress na nka ohun say the weight authority na congress omo kasa e final na ye bisa if qualification member tanwana na ye hwese anka we dey campaign for kasa na member congress na carabs bia
beja that's my venture na venture for na the woman say enye qualification no per se and na me but the na me ne say observation na my congress do ada makoye say few be and always G floor no more kasa
Kofi Menu
you can name them would be more than 10
Lubo Commodore
would be more than 10
you look on Bania Kosu Gia Kwame Neket Musu Giana
and prosper more
and here make the third generation for no once a Kofi Menu money feeling queen kakra but prosper me London boys once me London boys Prosper Kate Kwame omina University of London bi ana say Liverpool bi ohun no so ma J and modern day bako masters in football administration bako so this is football ko na bako cancel interest no munya so no University of Ghana universe into mo J no ma J no mo kasa eze Kwame ko election tigu na munya tiba ya amount me san ko bi
well yes unya sa quality na say background no eboa ema enema bi wo ha omudi nimde support but na me problem say obekona congressmen are 123 unya nipa more than 20 mo contribute I mean o ma take floor no argue on issues fast status no ye ho adwuma na me problem kakra then again ade na me sa me problem say who can represent the club no the position should be the club but the other me hu no say personal amount for interest be enti akoba say ye nyina ye nkose ya and once ya tiafa ho but then club ni position oya ukaya and I'm sure my battle alaji grusa ni the osman ni problems na there and no na ya na make asetia e ho na me problem but enye say the prosper can no kofa ngumanim for too much ko go sebi tafrache finance so e mo du what I say if finance ni bi o ha untimi mfa book ntoda nti obekwa no akakopem nti o say blend no say o form board football club form board kra say ya obetimi de obi a sebi wonni bi untimi ntrokra but e bi kwa no abobi pen no so ho no de nim de no a support for nti me for say
when I can say CMC Congress the last one na ye consultative meeting at the Congress no na meti this one for bi mu na meti odin so be observer na meti din ye be say to aba no ye kufa card no I was na say we kwale ni ko say to aba comedy yo ye yentem ni enko comedy Congress as yo was it the ko mu here no comedy ni ye yentem ni enko
nti benya on say o hwe even
the no nim say enye Congress na no ba
na consultative meeting
the qualification to even pick a form to become contest for FIFA presidency. The first qualification you are asked is that you must be you must have been active in football for a certain years.
And understand that?
Yes. You must be 2 years. 2 years. Because
the
they know.
Position,
2
years at the top.
Official of the club
see election. So that is in the election
modality regulations.
Say you must have been a top management member
for
of
2
the
years.
And I had discovered say you can be a shareholder, director, or management member
for 2 years.
Minimum 2 years before the
elections.
Yeah. So all these requirements, no, I will order that. But the point is, for me, I believe say you don't expect 123 people to go to Congress and talk. And Congress is made up of bodies.
First one, my simple. Say a Congress document 2 weeks.
Yes.
Oh, be on 5 days. No,
that's the point. That's the point. And Congress here is made up of bodies.
Yeah.
And the bodies are the regionals, the leagues, the constituent bodies.
Yeah.
So if regionals not saying Pabako Kasa, I am sure say the other regional members and delegates no. Someone Kasa maybe they feel say he's speaking the mind of the regions. So confirm no Kasa na say a call in favor of the league, sir. I don't think any other member unless you oppose what he's saying. But the point that of Nipa Miensa and Nipa even Ghana's parliament, Nipa Sene Kasa. You understand?
Backbenchers.
Yes. Yes. Obiwa Osha parliament pa obo se watro no they are push am. And even
parliament
no even in lawyers
different. I am saying that with the greatest of respect, Mr. The mechanic may disrespect other congressmen, but prosper name ya adwene. I say convention. Obi o ha obo na ni dim obekwa kwotena o sa na o ka gu obi aso na o president o na ye den. Yes, I agree. So o ka premier for asem
bi ho ipem kasa woni kasa
yes lawyers crampo a your solicitors and or barristers mpacho bit my team kakra mai atiade. You understand? You won near obeba floor abekasa. You were there or yes, that's the point. So I'm saying that you don't expect everybody to come to Congress and the Congress
and then there me lead council Prince Naomi solicitor.
There will be chaos. What do you say?
My say point now. Question now will be sound a valid question. Say ABIN share qualification be ana enu ye valid question because amount for bebre adwin nti yes e odi aba say yen discuss it. Nana Kwame point no so valid in the sense sometimes no ubenya obia onyanka obekasa o but ebi onim bedwa mu kasa ana ebia osro so obekasa ena minim se fear o na intimidation o se den o obia ni makeup inti for me it comes back to the people who send the delegates. Say RFA Greater Accra show mo membership bebre you see yinipa miensa call representative unim juma ebe take place for Congress and I bring up Makacho they say representing Greater Accra.
Yeah.
In that year no now a lot of legal issues were being going to be discussed. Inti omo share no omo for omo nipa 2 and omo frame say omo pese we no anka me kra me say oh we can make points na me fa mom omo si dey bi me nkop bi in case discussion no bi ade audi call no ya trauma wa ko kan wie obi so accounta na fa ugina ho inti say obi oti ase no a oni mra no na wa be represent inti that year alone no and I become representing Greater Accra because of the issue. So I can get law assem na wo mu a omo fi se o be hia me anka mo mfa me nko nti eye representation no every club our representation wo congress no ese eye ono ani duty eye o share me dey eye o share mom say omo be yi nipa obekasa mom me dey amichi kra ni say ye wie congress no
Afokasa wachiri
wo radio so ebi owo fine idea na so oni fine idea but wa better radio so radio na wo kasa wo so nso ensisa hwe yakọ vote ade na yewie me wa wo fine idea o what na congress ade na si wonka ana se wa manipa foforo akọ represent wo team no afi ya ade na yewie na ako atia o ebi a wo explain the amika about Alhaji Brusa ono aba congress no oya division 1 club ono aba representing ho o man insa so na okasa pe na change vote no and let me repeat it Brusa kasa no and I say okasa English o okatwi
anti congress kasa bia is allowed
president na allowed so na
but official language of communication in English
English but ya nim your culture na your situation
which means person home
to me I quotation abo ebia proverb wo twim na de okan ya me kai pa ni say nipa miensa kra no menji omo endi na nipa baako
me kai that congress
okan sa no eno na change vote no assuming say oni obeka say no and can say vote no be different way inti you must let your presence be felt so all of you be a stronger e be sisan ade na untena fie na wasoma obi
okay
na wakosi
ye be we ha but me fam twom to prosper o club no ayefa ko oyefa o club class for comment ça mo crest no
me club
class for comment see my official announcement
me club me
the badge no say Macluna no a hint of changing the crest
so aba to job
but logo ye bia club brand it's brand no e wo ho you can make modifications.
Muhe se fa o de muhe.
You can make
modifications. Se fa no come say. But you have course congress no.
Na me saka India squad prosper pass wo ha me the consensus of the lower leagues for Enam and me aba because since we started church at the end the same minds are listening to tie Happy FM or me football minda since me to message is about 13 say me be 70 maybe sabako mienu pe don church am adena over the years we be kaya muko major congress and certain districts no and our regions no congress so even if we have consents at the lower levels club owners real club owners at the lower levels no our consents will be excuse me we useless because whatever we say there no now Marco Congress da so say be Greater Accra doku na mo say be say we you keke and see hwe clubs like Hope for Future Bankula owner me pa say this to district po muyi this would be one rep if on vote or Congress po he should come to Congress every district Accra West every Reverend Kamabi Accra East Mr. Boateng anabia Samuel Hammond who for that majata who kotema be say no muso ba Congress to me because that is why grassroots football is dead in Ghana because coach nobody is speaking for coach football nobody is speaking for amateur football and here no my Argentina my sir
very simple on say ye dear no the aye wo national no enra na I make you regional and district na dey okay into first of all no the rules no yes so simple say the you see a congress ebia next month the region no RFA no bet me a congress say Congress me chair mo send a extraordinary Congress. If the RFA feels say ESCO level on bet me omo more to me to on bet me yini patre na they can do it. But if the topics now mo de be kono mo bet to me atro the whole thing is a Congress document no do RFA. They can go, you can go to the office and collect a copy and then send your comments. Or you can call for extraordinary Congress at the RFA. Yeah. Namunya mu Congress. Namun say ye kwa on this topic. Ye pese one answer and say. Into the clubs. Me can how to call Congress no. On say the clubs on their own can call Congress. Yeah. The same thing RFA no. Compared to me after extraordinary Congress, they don't have to wait for ESCO to call it.
The voting pattern na SIBBia. You voting from down to up no. No, that's a different. That's a different. You can call Congress and RFA before you go to national. Congress. No, they can do it. No. One name say clubs and the lower divisions to call extraordinary Congress before you call Congress. Regulations. Rules. No, you do. Yeah, big that organ. Over to me after our games here. Oh, coach, relax. Over to me after actually your questions be bisa. Na tifa demo but if you finally be in there but say yan call the English way the work can break it down sa na say especially yan be no be anya voting rights ni be yan to aba na yan call 0302254856 we be aba homan so odin any we are free.
Hello.
Who dey yan call?
Yes, I'm Ibrahim.
We need me yan call.
Yes, I'm fabulous. Mr. Ibrahim, Mr. Free Port Ablanto. Mr. Ibrahim, I can make a Sadana on telephone Ekano. There are people Orma, and I travel as Orma, Omoko Congress, the Plana, Omutini Enkasa, that no so we are aware of Omutai, other than a travel now, Wako Congress, also Trawadi, because you know the Sikade, and you football, and to one of the tracks that say, yes, I will try, okay, I put it down ready, now the Twayan Pias, I don't know so much, and I just said, I'm going to come and answer, Omotamin Saudi, and Mudra, or Marcas Saturday, executive no so, and to Omoko Congress, no, almost some community, Senator, almost mentioning and Confera, almost 23, or 123, no, if it's coming to Roma, because it become one, because it's just a big house, I'm not much right. It's a very big house, I didn't see. It's all around dancing.
Mr. Medas, Mr. Dini Rafi. Yeah, wait to me, and you know, went to me, and you know, so better my friend, actually, what you know, 0302254857. Mr. Dini Rafi.
Nana Blenya.
When you are
what's the new video called here?
Madam, who was the
Yamiase, and then my family, the Moya. But I tell Congress and one way, the Mokai and Mata. So, the call Congress, a matter of one Siko, Obu Sika, but I had the one school why the white team. It is a be a mobile for some, no matter not the parliament here, and this meeting where they enter block, but no would be our the Union or the Wonka. A Tomu matter. And try the Bundy, Timbani, Mata no mobile can or matter. I move Yasia, or Mumium send a bear in Nabel, Mimia think crying, not and trying a minute here. No one says you, no matter Matas here. I just said, yeah, the corner of phone for an affair, there no be, that's why people, yeah, so long say as here because our customer must say one tear or Congress now here. But because, and I want to go for it's in a now be no better over country Muslim, because of the other day, and also, Medafi.
Mr. Medas, Mr. Dini Rafi. We need me uncle.
Bashana Pum to say,
Madame Huyapa.
Or in Mediana Razaka, the Hugana. This may have been any baby, or in a negotiation. Or in a way to see in a pattern of the Raffon Cattle of Darma. Or in a lawyer prosper, bring one about so. To keep better pass 1 week in the big gun of when you be now. A new program we are not coming to when you blasa, but you need blasso similar. That's a be blow in a good team. Now, Palmer, some what young shank, and a Palmer, I think could do calf and sana, Cafu, a castle. This a human way, no, we don't you know, that is a. And now for some person question, say what they are down for.
But you do have a question. Mr. Odini Rafi.
Hello, good morning.
First of all, you're a member of Congress and yet on the National Congress. Mr. Yankasa Yanko.
Me free not can.
Atu Yankwe.
The issue of we Congress
yes, when they shouldn't even arise because the guy said 2005, the documents number called FIFA. FIFA number was more than 123. Yet, so in the moment in for best practice, it should be less, even less than 50.
That's Mr. That's Hannah the course in Messi. Prosper, oh, I know you be. Niamba has focus issues in Sunyanko.
Say question about lower leagues, no congresses, no. Any representation, no. Congress documents, no call out. They mean him said 123, no. DFA year more than 123. Because don't forget other committee it's Nadinya Nyabi. You see Congress document are call out. I say radio stations back and sometimes no radio stations don't cry. Were more interest in the Congress document than clubs. Yeah. We are club now were second division, third division, course. And one is over called RFA. Also the Congress documents no mama me copy. But don't forget to say more than copies mawa scarcem. Into Benya will copy no so almost it ya baby kaka na ukra je na ko run photocopy na. Oji wako run photocopy. Uwo bibi kan wo ho a. Mra no ma wo kwan say sure koma RFA no. So that they will collect or musu kwa no more they harm themselves with their members natural. But I can tell you say are there no bad people are not interested. Ya koya decision na you know ode mark you we are mark yi ye be kobio e be sesi say matise amanfo ze yen call extraordinary congress lower league for no omo ayedin o omo ayedin documents no ba intimi show right now documents no ba they should be interested. Kofa na also read it so what bibi kan fa koma wo RFA e ho ni wo point it say me say ye ko kan right to information na me feel say e ho hia me a adam di be fa e say o pe bibi na fa odifa
outside coalition
me MP ada say me ko ni ho na ma ko kan che no say
no ko e pala zo ko nye MP as MP ni ndi say
oh say ma ko kan che no me kan che no so me di be sin anim say una obeba me fie o because obaye until me the best name say ukoi udi ko vote MPP ni NDC we your information sem enye NDC ni MPP into the ko vote na uba next 4 years we have to me wa
okay Prince also odi any member chief on Adam Honi enko
I think say empanifo mi no a eba ha ne ahwensem no ye pa matna ha meti omo a I think say for us ye wo models bi wo ho a ye betimi afa adopt ye mfa document ni nyina ye betimi afa na yahwe ye situation no ye said ye tie as a people na ye de no so aye wo no because ye document ya ye wa na ye de bu ye football no enye emre bia enye bibia akeke eniema wo mu a me na me bore ni de bia asema na me ka kire o hanse na eye nkrofo a edimra no eye dwuma no that is where na issue no ewo but not say ye document no na nye bibia ye na boni bi eni ho but said ye na the application of ye mra na ne ewo no na me ye way the issue of Congress I can sit here and say emphatically say the number Congress composition of Congress ya eda ye nimu hai ye di bi ka ho ne ye de kope FIFA ebeto akane that one I can say it with all certainty say si ye ko ye di bi 123 ya nteso na ye di bi ka ho ne ye ko ye na bia ye fa say 130 say we 123 ye ko ye no 130 kura FIFA be ka kire say e do so do because o hwe the English FED na and lawyer can or say omo Congress omo ato aba no endorse because of the number of competitions any adia omo membership no omo ne the number of competitions any said the omo ye eniema bebre ho omo ye and you ask a fantastic question say ye no ye leagues no cry competitions ye saying and ye tena ha competition a minimum say ye wo krom ha ne ye ne ye pa ye league FA Cup ema football and a coast ana ameboa
division 2 ni
and a division 2 ni senu po the regional ni district one any other but say if you compare English FD and na hwe say the omo ebi wo ha ebi wa weekend mitimi fa app yeah the first score line so kwa competitions wa and bobo week in week out bo uko Germany at the same thing uko Spain at the same thing but yeah there no enti say ya dwen say composition of Congress say yante so me minya ya anka 123 na wo no kra no omo abenya powers se beto aba no kra se ete so te se RFs na omo de 3 ba omo nyina to aba no me minya omo fa 3 mra ye to aba 2 ene to aba regions bia ye to aba 2 eho ebete
what television no
yes because omo ba bebre bi mo te se ye ka se omo ba omo nkasa yes on kasa ba do say all to aba no because onim se oba no or was our power to vote in Intino. For powerful because at the end of the day, Kotoaba my president, no free RFaba. Or no dear, the air cost no crown and fan who the only man is about to Obama prosper. Until no out try and do sa agenda and voting. Yet 2 years no call. Or Koswa, yet we now about to Aba where we know we are not a cotton baby. Said the Becoso 4 years you say I know. Oh no, I'm fan oba no betuaba enti mimi nyaaya anka RFS no mumfa 30 ebe represented but 2 edru si e to aba 2 se oba Premier League ho no so a ho so omo a eba no Premier League say na eba 2 for 16 eno enye half
2 be baba 1 be
1 betuaba na yen katina no na Nigeria de no saying
48
omo yes saying
44
no 44 now to about 4 abstaining last election there 48
omo yes saying na yen yes saying
a population of 150 million now more football
na nkasa omo atu aba no do you know so no say yes omo election about yanka me feel say omo number no ekura do so say ye de no
Australia 10 na say no man kokoma sa 28
akoya 28 so these are examples you bet me I don't think say so person obedi every president you increase number na and be boost your chances of winning with way so be winning obetimi winning you tum na untimi winning untimi winning.
Well, you see, I've said say football grassroots thing, football contact thing. And you don't expect, say, the General Assembly of the Football Association should directly be taking decisions to affect the least place. So would you not want the decisions to take you as any directly affect it talk? So I believe in decentralization.
Okay.
You see, many people have said, Yenfa districts in Ghana, there were 254 districts. Make my catch without doubt, with no doubt.
Country district, not football district.
No, country district. Make a country district. 254. Make my catch without doubt. Say, out of these 254, you need more than 20 football districts.
No, one more.
Well, because Greater Accra district is quite about 28. Greater Accra, how many districts do we organize football? Am I into zones?
Yeah.
Where you take the sub-metro zone, Hanmon, or money this side, about 1. Madina area, no ne Labaoleshi area, Subo 1. Temabo 1. Yes. So do you know what I'm saying? I'm saying this in relation to Congress. People advocating say district people should come directly.
Of course.
No, you see, that's what I'm saying. Okasa Okoha, hold on. Okasa Okoha, ain't feasible because of the 254 districts in Ghana. No, it must say organize football. Unless you are saying say the existing districts should come, which means every year Congress size will change. Because every year another district will say then if I have the opportunity to go to Congress, let me form a district and go. So I'm saying let's encourage the decentralization, and it is captured in the FA statutes. Article 56. The powers of district football association. If the district level cry, you are not able to organize yourself. How then do you want to go to the top and organize for everybody? So the course clubs, the Division 3 and Division 2, no, if they want things to be done well, I was some organize them who ye. That's what my point.
At the district level.
Yes, at the district level. Because Central Region, you are not controversy at district football and regional football from Central Region than any other place. Because this Central Region district, Central Region don't play football in more than 5 districts. And I can tell you, say, even maybe on one, they have no copy of the regulations. Jacob Eshon comes here every day to talk about it. Say the members of the Central Regional Football Association, apart from the MNSDO, are the chairman no copy of the regulations. The elite members do not have. But me, Adamukra, I'm a football person. I have all the documents of the Football Association. It's on the FA website.
And in Madalo Dukas and Salamanco.
And it's all here, district football, we are coach, and now they also a coach club. Now see, you don't have this. I said, over Congress, I can't.
But point back.
Major with this executive summary, I'm sure on the Congress. Unya time and what can
2 points quickly. One year about status books na year and your clubs no pena or my obenwo bi a on kitabi nso na oye ball no dia awo na adwen mu dada no no na ode ye ball no sa you can even find referees, coaches, players. Omobody smart committee. Who can be say, oh, we on him say, oh, Mranomo. And I'm missing Tim Raben or you. Oh, yeah, fan count. There are a lot of referees. They only teach them laws of the game. Ghana, the edible league, no, Kakana, Edikawa, edible league, no, and FA Cup, no. It is there are situation now, FA Cup. On the FA Cup, you do quarterfinals, come na boy extra time. Yeah, beginning, no. What we call ball extra time. Referee. On him.
Competition rules no him.
Yeah. No evidence of that.
On here now doing say. So you see what this thing can cause to the FA. Into the be a more training. Into the be a me country.
Anyways.
Rules now the end there. We a coast club we download it from the. What to me call FA to books no be. But people come to the FA on to book no. But same bar we tin our radio so. Now far left. Rule to right. Second point, ni say current state of the Congress no. Yem fan to ya adwem say you see problems go home. But change be how be bia nso will create its own
problem.
And your problem per se.
Challenge.